welcome back, PA Squad. We're going to do some unboxing today of some Ipsy bags. We have a couple. There's 1, 2, and 3. I've been saving this for a video, you see. So this is October, November, and September, I think. So I'm gonna unbox them and then we're gonna do them, try to do them in order. So let's take them out the bag. Oops, well, here's a brush. Here's a brush. I don't know what bag that came from, but that was with that one. See, I like when they give brushes, but I got some. Ooh, I like this. Two-tone. The other one says Your Magic. And it has this on the back. It's kind of cool. It's like Egyptian. It reminds me of Egyptian theme because it has the Eye of Horus. Haha, smart. This one is burgundy and gold. And it came with a brush. I don't know the name of brushes. they different. I know, well actually no, that one. This doesn't have a brush. So, that's what that one looks like. Okay, so this, just take this out. It's November. That's November. We have, I think this one's for October. Because the way that it looks. Yep, I was right. This is for October. So we're going to sit those two to the side. Okay, there's the brush. And there's the bag. I'm going to take it all out. Okay. So we have It Cosmetics CC Plus Color Correction Full Coverage Cream. Has SPF in it. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. It's your only step. I think this will be my right color. There's a reason particularly every makeup artist, editor, and influencer loves the CC cream. It really truly works. The buildable formula evens out your complexion and camouflages spots, but always look natural. Plus it contains vitamins, antioxidants, and SPF 50. That sounds good. Ooh. Wait. I'm skipping ahead. Wait a minute. Okay. So next. Evo Beauty Skin Rejuvenating Mask. Oh, I need a mask. Ooh. This gets you high too. This 15-minute mask is like hitting the rest button on your complexion. It nourishes, hydrates, and rejuvenates skin for a seriously dewy glow. It uses hemp seed oil a natural source of fatty acids and antioxidants to heal dry skin and reduce sensitivity. Oh, this what? So this has cannabis stevia. So I've never used a beauty product with cannabis in there so far, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. If you can see it. Okay. We're going to lay this up. That's that bag. Can you see it? There. Okay. So next we have Tarte Cosmetics Big Eagle Mascara in black. We all know what mascara is. So this is it. I got so much mascara. That's that. I don't know if you can see that. Wait. Can you see? Y'all gotta bear with me now. Still learning how to use this. Like, that was too bright. There you go. Oh, this is a contour brush. I know it was something. I don't really do contours that much. I should start, but yeah. So the mascara is a fully loaded, flutters for up to 16 hours. We're here for it. That's funny. My cousin always say that. This mascara coats lashes and ultra black pigment and gives them dramatic lift. Ooh, what? Does it extend? How much? How much? Because the girl needs some lashes. Girl needs much length. So there you have that. And I mean, okay, so I'll read it. This creamy crayon is about to be your new makeup MVP. You want to see me, not the paper, right? Just swipe it on and go. The sheer berry tint goes on very easy and builds up without any fuss. I don't like these really because they remind me of crayons. They're so big. Cause I have one. I think I used it once. I said I would try some more. So I'll probably do another video telling you if I like it or not. For right now. There you go. And that's all that's in September's bag. We're going to move to the next one. This is October. Forgot which one was which. So you got the brush, the green brush again. Ooh, and the moon and the stars. That's tight. Okay. So this one says, I'm magic. I'm magic. This one, okay, I'm going to start off with the brush. It's a round, blushy brush. Blushy brush. So this is for blush. I wear it sometimes. It's a nice brush. I think I have another brush to match this brush. But I'm not sure which brush that is. It's the green one with the glitter in it. I have a couple with glitter in it. So, oh, I think we got another mask. Okay, so this one. Now, I ain't never had no mask with no pistachio in it. No, you know what? Take that back. Take that back. They starting to use pistachio in... Was that pistachio or pistachio shells? This is so unrelated. Pistachio shells for a scrub brush. I mean, a sponge. The scrubby sponge? It sounds really interesting, and I should buy one to try. But, you know, that's a side note. So, the pistachio skin whipped pistachio. Pistachio. It's called pistachio. Pistachio, same thing. Body butter. AKA boyfriend body butter. Okay, guys. One whiff of this pistachio. Ooh, biscotti scented. Ooh. I want to open this right now. Just because I heard it has biscotti in it. Scented cream, and we were hooked. It smells just like cookies. Oh man, that smells so good. Not only does pistachio oil smell delicious, it is a great source of vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants, all necessary for smooth baby skin, baby-like skin, baby soft, baby-like. That smells divine. Okay, next. Oh, I like this stuff. This stuff is the Benefits Cosmetic Gimme Brow plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. Whether your brows are sparse, bold, or just need a little definition, it's volumizing brow gel will make them look perfect in a flash. So you got... Oh, this does have a... Okay, next we have Elemascua powder. Probably not pronouncing that right. Powder eyeshadow in Invoke. Invoke. What kind of color? High shine shadow are always a good idea. I can't even see that. I'm not sure what this color is. It looks like a shimmery silver and black, I think. Can't really tell there. Oh, maybe this will help. Silver and black, I think. The high shiny shadows are always a good idea, and they're especially buzzy for fall. Shake up your makeup. Shake up your makeup. Look with the silver chromes. It's silver chrome eyeshadow that's sure to turn heads. See, I knew it was silver and something, but I couldn't tell what other color that was. So yeah, I kind of see the chrome. And then last but not least in this pack, we have Tarte Tinted Hydrator in Deep Sand. I think this is the front. This is the front. I don't know if you can see that. Whether you love a no makeup look or glam is your thing, you're going to be obsessed with this tinted hydrator. Lightweight and easy to blend, the buildable formula melts seamlessly into your skin for a no-fuss application. Perfect for busy mornings. Alright. I'm feeling it. So that's all your things. Oops. For the October bag. I love this bag though. This is so cute. So cute. Alright. Put it back. I can't wait to use that moisturizer. That one too. Okay. This is this month's bag. And it's be present. Be present. I'm here. I'm there. We're all no. I'm present. Are you present? You shouldn't be in the past. You should be in the present. Anyway, so I'm ridiculous. So first up, there was no brush in this one. First up, we have some fresh, clean coconut mild foam cleaner. From smoky eyes to bold lips, this multitasking cleanser will remove every last trace of your most dramatic, beautiful look. It foams up to dissolve makeup, remove dirt and oil, and purify your pores. Great for keeping your skin healthy and clean without causing dryness. We'll see. Because some of these facial cleaners, Ipsy be having, it's just my skin don't really work for me. So, we'll see. So, I have some of it. No, wait, I think I had some of it. This one is a Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape Concealer in Deep. Stayed up late binging Netflix? Indulging a little 3 a.m. pizza? When you're low on beauty sleep, this full coverage concealer is your go-to for instantly bright, smooth, evenly toned under eye. The matte finish formula is blendable, buildable, and goes on without looking streaky or cakey. Most of their products don't come on cakey, which is what I like about Tarte. Well, most of the stuff I've tried doesn't come on cakey. So, that's really nice. Next, you have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss Mini in Moon Jelly. This is like, would this be like I'll show you the box. What I'm thinking, this is like a white lavender for some strange reason, because jellyfish are iridescent. Oh, it's just white. I was hoping to get a little purple tint on it, but no. This isn't your average lip gloss. The Luxe lacquer gives your lips mirror-like shine without feeling tacky or sticky. The secret: tiny iridescent pearl particles that reflect light. Ooh, that sounds good. It comes in a cute portable mini size that's perfect for stashing in your clutch. I would try it, but I already got lip gloss on. Item Okay, so this is item by item. I don't know if you can read that, but by item. Beauty Brow Chow and Deep Brunette. 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 Oh. This is not brunette. I don't know what that is. This is a Ipsy. Using that. Really. And this seems like it'll be good. The difference between brows that look good and brows that look amazing and last all day. Use the superfine tip to fill and define the brush to blend and fluff. Oh, snaps. Okay. Okay, so next we have Lovely You by Sarah Jessica Parker. I don't know if you could read that. Or is this upside? No, it's right side up. When a fragrance makes us feel this fabulous, we know we've found a winner. This delightful scent from Sarah Jessica Parker is bursting with florals, woods, and citrus tones or notes. And it's the perfect transition from office work to after hours. No. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, it's a twist. Oh, I haven't seen one of these in a while. With the little, oh, this smells good. With the rolly ball on it. Ooh, that smells good. It's light. I keep trying to push it down. Floral. Alright. Smells like, it reminds me of a smell that I smelled when I went to be honest, when I was in Vegas last year, we were in the Venetian. In the gondola, by the gondola ride. That's what that smell reminds me of, the lobby. This smells better, but the lobby was alright. So that is everything in the November bag. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hit that follow so you can join the PA squad. And you can go check out some of my Twitch videos. Peace out till next time.